So most gas leaks, you can use your gas leak sniffer and get a pretty good idea of what's going on. Usually you want to do a bubble test to follow up. And once in a while, if you're not careful, you can have a gas leak that's strong enough. You throw some bubbles on there, don't really notice anything. But then until you really saturate it, that's when you start to see it forming on there. Where it's actually a strong enough gas leak, it blows any bubble solution out faster than you might even see it. And these old valves are pretty common as they loosen up and the grease wears out. Pretty common to develop gas leaks in them.